Today on A Road to Recovery, presented by Addiction Recovery Care, I'm here with Bellefonte Community CEO Jonathan Frazier, and today we're going to talk about access to mental health services. Now, Jonathan, what was it like 20 years ago when you were in addiction?
Non-existent. Non-existent. We had to find innovative ways to find the path of recovery. There was no technology. There was no true stakeholder involvement. Nobody really took ownership of the issue of mental health and addiction. And I think now we are on the cusp of providing robust services for Eastern Kentucky as well as the eastern region of this country. And that is exciting what ARC is doing.
Now talk to me a little bit about what it's like now compared to 20 years ago.
Access, quality, compassion. I think that is something that ARC has made available. So if you are in crisis, whether it's mental health or substance abuse, you have access. You can call 24 hours a day and talk to somebody that will help you enter into the road of recovery. I think ARC is on the cusp of all the technology that connects the rural Appalachia to the continuity of care that we need for addiction recovery as well as mental health treatment.
Can you talk to me about how important it is to have these services for people that are going through addiction?
It's life and death. It's life and death, and we take that seriously as a company. We take that seriously as believers. You know, we believe that we should have life and life more abundantly, and that is the prerequisite of the services that we provide. Our services are robust, they're accessible, as I said before, and they are connecting and marrying rural Appalachia with the treatment modalities for serious mental illness and addiction.
And now we've talked so much about addiction, mental health. Can you talk about how they really are co-concurring? And it's so hard in addiction treatment, sometimes it's mental health is not actually treated. So
as you can tell and as you can see with our expansion, now ARC offers mental health. And so our bread and butter, you know, our foundation is addiction recovery. Now, through the guidance and the vision of Tim Robinson, we have married the two, right? So we're able to identify who is in mental health crisis and treat that, as well as if there's a secondary issue of substance abuse, we have the services also. So no longer are we sending you just for one service and then the other issue comes up and there's no hope. There's hope, there's service, and there's accessibility through ARC services. And we're excited about what Bellefonte will do. We're excited about the other hospitals that will be opening up around the East Coast as well as Eastern Kentucky.
So many exciting things happening. Thank you so much for joining me, Jonathan.
Thank you.
And we're going to send it back to you in studio.